Mihi,
Hmm?
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, nice to know that. And then, what class do you study?
I'm past nursery.
You are in class nursery. Okay, so you know that today is your speaking test session. I will ask you some questions as usual, what you have learned in the last month. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Do you feel nervous?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. My first question is to you. What is the singular form of buses?
The singular form of buses is bus.
What is the singular form of mangoes?
The singular form of mangoes is mango.
What is the singular form of babies?
The singular form of babies is baby.
What is the singular form of girls?
The, the singular form of girls is girl.
What is the singular form of teeth?
The singular form of teeth is tooth.
Do you have teeth?
Yes.
Can I see? Okay, then next question and the last one. What is the singular form of knives?
The singular form of knives is knife.
Knife. Very good. Then Mihi, can you make some sentences by using the verb drink?
I drink আমি পান করি I don't drink আমি পান করি না we drink আমরা পান করি we don't drink আমরা পান করি না you drink তুমি পান করো you don't drink তুমি পান করো না he drinks সে পান করে he doesn't drink সে পান করে না she drinks সে পান করে she doesn't drink সে পান করে না they drink তারা পান করে they don't drink তারা পান করে না it drinks ইহা পান করে it doesn't drink ইহা পান করে না
Very good. Then, what's your favorite subject?
my favorite subjects are math
And
and English.
English. Okay. Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Okay. Can you ride a cycle?
Yes, I ride a cycle.
Do you have any cycle?
Yes.
Yes. What is the color of your cycle?
Purple.
Purple color. What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Doraemon.
Doraemon. What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is banana.
Do you like to play?
Yes, I like to play.
Okay. Then what's your full name?
Tahira Saini.
Tahira Hussain Mihi. That's great. How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
6 only. Do you know you are a baby little? Okay, then where are you from?
I am from Dhaka.
You're from Dhaka. Nice. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one little siblings.
Okay. What do you do?
I am doing study.
Study. Okay. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Okay, and also my favorite color is red. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Very good. You did awesome. Fantastic. I liked it. So take your sheets and say here bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ta-da.
Ta-ta.